In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine hood support on your Subaru Outback. This will be located under the front hood. Let's get started. Using a flat blade screwdriver, get under this clip, pry it open, pop the hood strut off. Do the same thing on the bottom. Remove the hood strut. There's a little clip on our hood strut. Push on this tab and it'll pop to the side. We're going to remove the clip. Install the hood support onto the bottom. Be careful for the hood. You may want somebody to hold it. Install the clip. Lock it down around. Do the same thing on the top. Pop the clip open. Get the rod installed. Install the clip. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.